How to remove Instagram account from account list. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right, and then if you click on switching account, which means holding on to your profile, you find all this list. To delete this list, click on three lines located at top right. In here, scroll down till you find log out all device option. Click on log out all accounts and click on log out again. After you've pressed on log out, you will be logged out of the account. After that, click on three dots located at top right corner of your screen. In here, simply click on remove profile from a device. Then click on remove and then press on remove again. After you're done deleting, if you hold on to your account, you will not find other account list. And this is how to remove Instagram account from account list. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.